When I say you feeling where, you say where? Are you feeling where? It's coming home.
It's rare that you see different delegates from different countries actually come together and in different, creative spaces and really dive into the creative industry.
My way, Okala way, Gormaya Nyamatimbe, Nyamatimbe, Mimi dom dam dam, Mimi nina roga roga, Mimi nina wanga wanga, Mimi dom. Bado, nasema bado.
I really had hoped, that it would be a moment for us to kind of, artists getting to network with other artists and art managers and curators. And the turnout was really, really good. That's exactly what happened. A lot of people have got to, get to know each other, got to interact, got to connect in many, many ways. People already exchanging numbers. So, yeah.
Umeumia? Haujaumia? Leo akirudi atakuua. Nilikwambia, tulia mdogo wangu, lakini alifanya kichwa ngumu. Kila siku unapigwa wewe lakini hauelewi. Ushe bwana.
That film is such a big thing here, right? So I did learn many new things there. And the great thing about meeting, especially artists or other creatives that work in different fields than you do, is that you get really a different perspective and on what it means to create art, right? So my favorite part were definitely the roundtable discussions where we could really see, okay, how can we push it? How can we move forward from here, especially regarding the Tanzanian creative community. And it's been a really eye-opening event, and I'm happy to have met so many people. There are quite a few people where I feel like, yeah, we could work together, and we're definitely still in touch and close touch. I can say some of the people really became friends after just a few days, so that has been amazing.
Sasa Nafasi Art Space wanachukua vyote hivyo. Wanachukua vipaji, wanachukua pia elimu, wakichanganya pamoja, ndivyo sasa wasanii wetu wanakwenda kufanya sanaa yao kimataifa, kwa sababu inaweza kukubalika ndani ya nchi na nje ya nchi. Lakini sio hivyo tu, wasanii wetu pia wanakuwa wanaelewa kile wanachokifanya.
I'm looking forward to growing the relationships that we've started here, to see how we can have further international exchange and collaboration between our artists. Thank you, Nafasi.
Kutokana na jinsi ratiba ilivyokuwa imepangwa, watu walikuwa wanakaa kila siku na watu tofauti kwenye meza kudiscuss mada mbalimbali, jinsi gani ambavyo tunaweza tukaboresha sanaa na utamaduni tuweze kuendelea pamoja tukiwa sisi sote kama wadau wa sanaa na utamaduni.
Everything comes and goes. Mohammed should have told you this early. Do math, don't do math, ignore myths, you're no moth. So fly like a butterfly and sting like a bee. And when things go south, nakutakia patience ya Madiba. Within you, ndani yako yani ni spirit ya Nkrumah, kwa hivyo si expect kukwame, ose.
It's been a really great week of connecting with fellow regional East African art practitioners, cultural movers and shakers, as well as students and the next generation. When I was coming here representing Somalia, I wasn't really quite too sure what I would find, but what I'm really happy to say is that I go away with the community, working in the arts in my region, but also looking to the future and how we may be able to work together and connect and figure out synergies to forward the creative sectors across our countries, but also across our region and more broadly, the continent.
One thing that I personally am very happy about and really looking forward to is actually more collaborations, more creative spaces opening up, and also more platforms opening up where artists and art practitioners are actually free to create, learn, share, and experience art.
We have to travel more. I mean, why not? Because that's how we get to connect, right? So yeah, we're looking forward to what the future holds after Tukutane Dar Arts Week. Creativity, visibility, impact.